I heard may dalawang ad campaigns kayong ipepresent sa amin.
That's right. In fact, Mr. Villarama here, our Vice President, and I have two different approaches to the campaign. And we can present both to you so that you can decide.
Meron palang nangyayaring competition sa company nyo.
It's just a friendly competition. All for the good of the company.
Excuse me, gentlemen.
Bahala, friend. Bahala. We can start. Charity, makitawag na sila. Where's Rachel?
She's still
Here.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Bali na ako. Huwag lang ikaw.
Rachel, all set? Joseph.
May I have your attention, please? I would like to present to you our ad campaign for the new European beauty collection.
Ang misyon ko, hanapin si Jezebel at ibalik siya sa Sirenea, buhay o patay.
Pag sinabi ko umalis ka sa haratan ko, ibig sabihin bumalik ka sa saan lupalop ka galing.
Akala ko mabait siya. Pero bakit nagbago siya? Dahil ba sa itsura ko?
Kailangan amuhin mo si Isabel. Mag-sorry ka at bibigyan mo siya ng pera para sa kanyang katahimikan.
Ayoko na dito. Gusto ko nang bumalik sa dagat. Paalam sa'yo, kaibigan ko.